I understand. It is as if a fog has been lifted. This snow, it's love, isn't it? The sky, the sun, the flowing wind, the mountains. And yet, how can this be? The world is... The works of God are so beautiful.